This is Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. A beautiful spot. It's noisy because they're doing construction over there. How's y'all's day doing? Because mine's weird. I keep catching 2 at a time. I wish I actually brought my filming equipment. I left it all at home when I left the house, but I was destined to come give me some gar to put in the fridge. And the ice chest has probably got 10 or 15 like this in there too. So they're all small, but they'll all clean up and make a good couple of meals. Joe's Outdoors. Looking to give me some lunch here. Had to buy a new one of these. Couldn't find them. Use my old trusty Mako pocket knife. We're gonna clean this guy. I'm gonna cut up his back right here with the snips, and then I'll just work the meat out with the pocket knife. And then I'll show you the meat, and we'll put it in a skillet, chop it up, see what we can get, see what we can make inside. All right, fishy's all clean. I can use this to feed my beetles, and I wanted a small alligator gar skull. So here's the meat. 2 nice chunks of meat, should be plenty for lunch. It's raining, so I'm gonna shut this off and get inside and start cooking on my stove because I got a light above my stove, and hopefully this helps out. I'm gonna chop it into chunks about like that, and then we'll proceed to cook. Tony's. All done. Cheese is melted. That's a good fish. This was Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors, cooking up some gar. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Share this out. Share it to all your fish cooking friends. Give them all a nice little recipe to go by. Thanks for watching. See you next video.